Want to create stunning Ghibli-style images? Here's how. First, log into your account and click on the Create button. Now, enter your prompt or upload an image for starting the process. You can also choose a style if you prefer. Once everything is set, click Generate. Wait for a few moments, and your Ghibli style image will be ready for you to admire or edit. If the generation is slow, try reducing the complexity of your prompt or refreshing the page. And that's it. Your Ghibli style image is ready. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.